If you look right here, you see this email from impact.com to me, and in this email it says that the commission payment has been processed. This is a review video for this platform called impact.com. Hi, my name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭, and I make videos like these videos about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and ways that you can make money online. If this sounds like something you've been interested in, then please subscribe, like this video if you found this video helpful, and turn on the bell notification. You are going to see a notification. Turn it on because I'll be making subsequent videos about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and general online money making opportunities for you. So impact.com is an affiliate marketplace, and if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need an affiliate marketplace. And an affiliate marketplace is basically a marketplace where you can find affiliate offers that you can promote, and impact.com is one of such platforms. I've made videos about impact.com in the past because this is currently my best affiliate marketplace. So if you want to check out impact.com, I'm going to put a video here about how you can create affiliate accounts on impact.com and how you can start making money using this affiliate marketplace. So this is basically a review video because most people ask me questions about this platform because I talk a lot about this platform. So in this video, I want to answer some of these questions, talk about the challenges I've faced with this very platform, and some of the mistakes I've made, and some of the mistakes that you should avoid if you want to use this platform. Again, let me just show you this so you see that the first question is usually, do they pay? Are they scam or do they pay? And that's why I'm making this screenshot. Traditionally, I'm not the kind of guy who likes to talk about what I've earned or stuff like that, but this is quite important, and that's why I'm making this video. So as you can see right here, they say they've processed the payment. As you can see, this is my name right here, and this is the payment, which is less than 100,000 Nigerian naira, and I'm going to tell you why at the later part of this video. So if I come here, you can see that they paid me to my bank account in naira in Nigeria, and this is my Keystone bank account, and this was the processing fee they charged me to send out this money. So they charged 2,200 naira, which I don't think is that bad. And then this is the total money, 78,000 Nigerian naira. As you can see, these are just two products, two commissions from just two sales I made, because this account is not an account I use a lot, and I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about why shortly. But as you can see, just to let you know that this platform has very high commissions, you can see that I was earning 51,000 naira for one sale, and this one is 30,000 naira for another sale, which is a lot of money if you are from Nigeria. Imagine that you could make 10 sales, you could make 20 sales. That's a whole lot of money. So I just wanted to keep this out so you see that the first question has been answered. Does it pay? Yes, it does pay, and this is actually a very trusted affiliate marketplace. So from this email, I just want to show you something. So I start some of these emails. So if I come here, this is me now talking about some of the issues I had with this platform. So I have multiple accounts. Again, I'm going to tell you why, but right here I was required on the 10th of October or 12th, I was required to do a verification for my account, and this is because I changed the name to the account. So the name I was using was different from the name that I added as a payment account or a withdrawal account. So I was asked to do a verification, and the verification did linger, and this is my major issue with this platform. They are quite slow to respond to you. So this verification lingered for more than 1 month. I've been planning to make this video. I had already planned everything out, but I just could not get this video out. So this video is sort of 2 months back, but you get the point. So the major problem I have with them is that they were slow to verify me. But right here you can see on the 24th of October they replied, and then they approved the verification. So the verification, I needed to send a photo of my ID card and then a picture of me, and from here you can see they said they were sorry for the delayed blah blah blah, and then the account was the payment was verified. So if you come here now, you see that instantly they paid on the 25th of October after verifying. So if you come to the withdrawal history again, you can see this is the date right here, 25th October 2023, and they sent it by bank, which is wire transfer. And another good thing is that this transfer did not take time, it arrived Nigeria. So now let's go to the main platform. Let's talk about the main things about this platform and why I am no longer using this very account that I have here. The first thing is that when I created this account, I used the Nigerian Naira. So as you can see right here, this is in Naira. This means that I'll be paid in Naira, and that's why they were able to send this money straight to my Nigerian bank account. But if you do not want this, make sure that when you are creating your account, make sure that you select the USA dollars, because if you do not select these dollars from the very beginning, you cannot change the currency. That's why I had to ditch this account. That's why you see 000 here. You can see in 2024 I've not made anything, because this is not an account I use that much. I basically use this account for tutorials these days, because I had created a dollar account where I use most of the time. And again, the reason why I had to do that is because if you are a Nigerian, you would know that the dollar and the Naira, they fluctuate. So most times the dollar is higher than the Naira. So if you earn in dollars, you make more money than when they pay you in Naira. This is the sole reason why I had to create other accounts. So if you do not have any problems with that, you can earn in Naira and still earn comfortably. But most times you'll be better off earning in dollars. Of course, that's if you want to make more money. But if you are good, if your country doesn't have this issue with the dollars, then you are fine. So first question, are they scam? No, this is a very reliable marketplace, and then they have a lot of big brands right here. So if you come to brands here and you come to find brands, you are going to see a lot of big name brands like Lenovo, Anchors, and a whole lot of top brands. You have Apple, you have HP, you have a lot of them. And of course, you know, these companies, they are always going to pay you money. So is the platform, is this scam? No, it's not. I actually do not like using the term scam in my videos, but of course I understand you if you have fears, because some platforms, they do not pay you after you work, which is a sad experience. So yes, impact pays. Impact is global. That's another question. Do you need a VPN? No. And you can create multiple accounts. I have like 4 or 5 accounts right here without any issues. So you don't need a VPN. It's global. It's easy to get into. They have very high commission products right here. So let's say we wanted to search for, let's say, insurance. You come here, you search for insurance, and then you hit enter. You see offers with high commissions right here. As you can see, this one is as high as 20%, 20%, 20%. Of course, we all know insurance costs money. 10%, 10%, 12%. This is a lot of money. This is 4 to 7%, 7.6%, and a whole lot of them. You see this one, this is a one-time fee of $75. This is a 10 Great British pounds. This is a $5 for profile creation. So if they just create an account, you earn $5. This one is 60 pounds. This one is 65 pounds. This one is 35 pounds. This is 32 pounds, and a whole lot of them. So of course, this platform has a lot of quality and high paying offers. Now, let's talk about the payment model. You can actually withdraw using either PayPal or your bank account. You can use Payoneer, you can use GigsPay if you are Nigerian, you can use Paystack if not Paystack, you can use Gray if you're Nigerian, you can use Wise if you're Nigerian. So you are not restricted to using PayPal, because I know PayPal doesn't like Nigerians, so we can't use PayPal, but you can use Payoneer, which is easier than PayPal, and you can receive your money. So this is basically my review of this platform. So far, they are currently my best review, my best platform, and I already created a video about how to use this platform. However, if you want me to create another video that will guide you again how to use this platform, please tell me in the comment section of this video. Just say to me, 𝐷𝐿𝐿, please create an impact.com video. Of course, you should like this video first and then subscribe to this YouTube channel, because more videos will be coming. And until then, I hope this video was helpful. I hope it revealed something you didn't know to you. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.